Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to set only 60Hz screen refresh rate for particular apps in Samsung smartphone running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just click on this display option. Now click on this motion smoothness. So let me set it to adaptive. Click on apply. Now just open the Galaxy Store and just search for CodeLock. On the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install this CodeLock, and if this CodeLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphone, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for FindLock. On the first list you'll see the application. So you install either CodeLock or FindLock, whichever supports on your respective Samsung smartphones, and after that just open the CodeLock or FindLock. And under the plugins option, just download and install this display assistant, and after that just open this display assistant. Now click on continue, click on allow, click on allow again. Now here you can see one option, standard refresh rate apps. So just click on it. So on the above you can see one plus icon. Just click on it and it will show you all the installed applications present on your respective Samsung smartphone. So you can select the respective application where you want to set only 60Hz, say just Chrome. This is some examples, and click on add. So I've added some applications here. You can add more application if you want to add, and if you want to remove, just click on this three dot icons. You can see here remove option, and you can select the respective applications to remove. So now once you add the applications under this standard refresh rate, then this application can use only the 60Hz screen refresh rate. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily set only 60Hz screen refresh rate for particular apps in Samsung smartphone running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.